I'm Vincenzo Caci, the General Manager of Sysgeo. At the beginning of my career, I started to work in a construction company, active in an infrastructure project. And then 16 years ago, I got to know Sysgeo, and I decided to join the team, firstly as a sales engineer, then as international sales manager, then scale up to sales director until the position which I hold today. We can say I'm a homemade product, basically. But this professional path gave me the possibility to see the company from different point of view and to appreciate the enthusiasm and the passion of my colleagues, and also the enthusiasm and the passion of the partner of Sysgeo, which have grown with us in the last years. We believe that the world of geotechnical monitoring is finally getting the recognition it deserves. In the Western country, much of the infrastructure starts to be dated, so there is a problem of diagnostic to enable planned maintenance to extend the life, the useful life of such assets. In other parts of the world, the infrastructure market is currently booming, and it has a greater awareness that monitoring is an excellent tool for controlling the design assumption, as already stated, for example, by the Eurocode, as well as for the risk management during the construction. In addition to that, climate change and increased environmental awareness are giving a boost, for example, to the increasing use of energy coming from renewable sources, such example the hydropower, so that many existing dams need to be refurbished or rehabilitated, and this involved also the monitoring system of such dams. Another example concerns the automotive, which is now switching to electricity, and this drives the search for mineral needed for battery productions, and with an unavoidable spin-off to the mining sector, where monitoring instruments are an excellent tool to increase safety during the operation, as well as increasing the productivity and the production at the end. And these are only examples of where the monitoring system can be deployed, without forgetting, for example, the hydrogeological risk mitigation, thinking about landslide prevention, about flood prevention, or something like that. Or, for example, to the monumental heritage protection. So there are several fields where monitoring tools can be applied. The mission of Sysgeo is clear. We aim to be the leader in the dam rehabilitation market. Together with our sister company Huggenberger, we actually have more than 750 dams projects worldwide. And the latest acquisition in Central Asia confirms this vision. While in Tajikistan we are now supplying the instruments for what will be the highest dam in the world, Rogun, in Uzbekistan we are in fact involved in a dam monitoring system refurbishment. In doing so, of course, what we do, we are giving our contribution to two of the main challenges of our times. One is the availability of the water as a resource, and the second one is to respond to the increasing request of green energy coming, in that case, from hydropower plants. So remaining true to our value of quality and support to the client, we also intend to become a reference in our market, especially on the application in the underground, in road and in rail infrastructures. So this is why we are particularly proud to have been selected as a supplier for the Lyon-Turin project. And not only that, we even create a dedicated brand, Sysrail, to be more close to the client involved in railway and to dedicate, let's say, proper solution to that field. Today technology gave us the possibility to acquire much more data than in the past, and this will allow all the asset owners to manage the infrastructure based on data-driven decisions. Our task is exactly that, to provide reliable and useful data make them available to the stakeholders and to the asset owner so they can manage their asset accordingly. The next step on which we already started working is to fit our growth, which the market will allow us, to the sustainability. How to do that? In two ways, basically. By implementing a paradigm of circular economy while developing our instruments and introducing policy to reduce our environmental impact. As a matter of fact, the instruments we produce speak directly with the earth, which we have to listen carefully, as one of our former payoff, which I really liked, used to say.